Right. Hello, Geo Space. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I am here to deliver your weekly agenda for October 12th, 2020. So welcome aboard. As I always remind, if you have late work, if you have questions over past assignments, do not hesitate to reach out, email, or message me. Another reminder that we are going to be switching to a hybrid next week. And so be sure you understand the days you come in, which group you're in. The schedule is changing so that odds will be Monday, Tuesday, right, instead of Monday, Wednesday. So you want to be aware of that fact and have a plan in order to get to school. And so with that, this week, we are extending stars, given that it is Indigenous Peoples Day today. Historically Columbus Day, but Indigenous Peoples Day is kind of also celebrated. We are going to be looking at how Indigenous cultures in North America viewed stars, told stories about stars, used it for navigation, used it as part of their culture. And so that's going to be the week. We're going to extend that into 2 days. The first day is going to be primarily synchronous, where we'll be working through a story actually from Science Friday, an NPR news show. And you'll be required to do 2 things. So let me get into it. In class, you will be filling out things on an insert learning article while we read an article together. And then we will watch some stories or listen to some stories told from a member of the Cree tribe in North America, Canada, technically. And so you'll be drawing during that. Okay, so we'll do an article, we'll listen to some stories, and then you will be responsible for sketching some images and turning those images in. Okay, so 2 things on the first day is going to be answering questions in an insert learning and drawing images while listening to these 2 stories. Okay, so that's day 1. Day 2 is going to be more asynchronous, and it will be you choosing to listen to another story from a Indigenous culture, and then answering some questions about it. And then you also choose one article to read and answer questions about it. Okay, and so that's going to be day 2 is going to be completing this choice document called Native Skywatchers. With questions, you can reach out. I will be going over these in class in teams this week. Again, this is the last week that we will be formally meeting in teams due to the switch to hybrid. And so you want to make sure, again, that you have your schedules sorted out. I will still be posting weekly agendas, but we will not be meeting the same way we have been in teams, as far as I know. And so we'll figure that out. But look forward to seeing you guys in class. That's all I have.